In this video, I'll show you how to fold a jumping frog. For this, you'll need a green square piece of paper. First, fold the bottom edge up to the top edge, folding the paper in half. Make sure to fold as precisely as possible. The cleaner the fold, the better your frog will jump in the end. Hold the sheet of paper with one hand and use the other hand to smooth from the center down, folding to the right and left. If the fold is precise, you can now go over it again with the side of your thumbnail to ensure a clean crease. Now open the paper, rotate it and fold it in half again. Open the paper. You should now have a cross folded on the paper. Turn the paper over to the other side. Fold the paper in half again, but this time fold two corners together. Open the paper, rotate it, and fold the other two corners together. Then open the paper again. Now comes the most difficult step. Fold the middle of the right and left sides into the bottom middle. This should create a triangle in front of you. Take the top layer from the right side and fold it exactly onto the center line. Ensure the tip is sharp at the top. Fold the edge that lies on the center onto the newly created fold. Again, ensure the tip is sharp at the top. Repeat on the left side. Now you folded the frog's hind legs. Next, fold the body. First, turn the entire thing over. Then fold the right tip exactly to the top tip. Repeat on the left side. Fold the right tip into the center. Repeat on the other side. Now fold the front legs. Fold the upper right tip down to the lower right and then, like with the hind legs, fold the edge back onto the newly created fold. Repeat on the left side. Only the frog's ankle joints are left. Fold the entire bottom side up to the center of the frog. Then fold the legs back down onto the newly created fold. Turn your frog over and see if it jumps well by tapping on the back end. You may need to experiment a bit with folding the ankle joints. The frog's jumping ability depends on these folds. Smaller frogs can even do somersaults.